So hi everyone, in this video we will learn to rebuild the indexes. So what is rebuilding of indexes, right? As we know that indexes are useful for performance improvement in the execution and querying the tables. Okay, so indexes are generally used to build on the basis of frequently used columns. Okay, so if a column is frequently used, then the indexes can be built on that. Okay, so in that way the column query and selector, it will become faster and faster and effective, and it will also help to prevent extra utilization of the resources, okay, given to the database. So here you can see that on the SQL developer I have opened a session. Okay, so let me show you table on which we will rebuild the indexes. Okay, so this is our table, right? And we have created an indexes which is named as Asia underscore index on the column population. Okay, so if you want to get the index name for the table, okay, so we will query like this from DBA indexes. Here we will need to mention the table name, right? So table name is Asia, right? So now we will get the index name. You can see here, okay. Index name Asia index. Asia index is a index which is built for the Asia table, right? So first of all, how you will know that the index needs to be rebuilt, okay? So for that we will have another steps, right? So for that we will use this, right? Analyze index. By using this, you can see the index utilization. So it will ask us the index name and we will give it index SEM underscore index. So the analysis has been done, right? So the next step will be we will find this for you. Okay, we will find the index status using this. So you can see here Asia index has been analyzed. That's why it's showing us Asia underscore index, and it is having height 1, LF leaf rows 3, and leaf blocks which is 1, and delete leaf rows which is 0. Okay, so how are we going to know that the index needs to be rebuilt? Okay, so here we have the hint which is if the height is greater than 4, then the index should be rebuilt. Okay, and also the del LF rows must be less than 20%. Okay, so this is how we can get the info about the index needs to be rebuilt or not. So here it don't need to be rebuilt, but we will practice index rebuilding. Okay, so for that let me show you that. So here it is, we need to rebuild all the indexes after move them to the new table source. Okay, so this is the previous one, so we will use this one, this query. Okay, it is a dynamic query and will give us a ready-made queries to be executed. Okay, let me bring the. So here you could see that we are getting this ready-made query. Okay, so we can simply execute it. Okay, alter index is dot Asia index element. Okay, so simply paste it and then execute it. You can see that index is dot Asia underscore index altered. Okay, so index has been rebuilt, right? Now check the status of the index by using this one. The value of the table. You can see that index name is index and status is one, right? So guys, this is how we can rebuild the index. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this.